I would say I have dry combination skin and I claim to be sensitive. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with me. Happy Thursday. My name's Catherine Simone. Like, what else is going on? Like, what's going down on your side of town? Y'all know Thursday is my favorite day of the week. I try to drop my videos on Thursdays. While you're here, if you'd like, I mean, you might as well hit the subscribe button. I'll be around. Things will be here. Things will be good. I've made a video in the past about skincare before. This is my updated version. I think things have changed in my life. I have learned more about skincare. I've definitely elevated some of my products and added new things into my routine. Some things are the same, some things have changed. If you watch this routine and the products that I'm showing are possibly out of your budget, check out my other skincare routine from about a year ago. The products worked really well for me and they were in a different price bracket. I am really passionate about skincare. You only get one face, but like just one. You don't get, I want to show you what I do and the products that I use. So let's do this. I'm going to go wash my face right now, but first I'm going to take off. I wore a little bit of makeup today, not a lot, but just a little bit. So I'm going to show you kind of the things that I use when I'm taking off my makeup. So the first thing you do when you're done with the day is the lashes come off. That's when you know the day is done. I really like to use, for taking off my makeup, I've tried a bunch of different products. One of my current favorites, this is a Clinique. I'm like almost to the end, like the nitty gritty of it. It's Clinique Take the Day Off. It's a makeup remover that you can use on your lids, your lashes, like your whole face. I really like it. I feel like it just gets the makeup off that's hard to get off, like glitter or a liner or whatever. And I always like to get things that are travel size when I first purchase it because I'm not really 100% if I want to invest in a full size. So if you're ever interested in trying a new product, a good tip is if it has a travel size, buy the travel size. See if you really like it before you really commit and invest your money. I also really like the simple wipes. I don't know, I feel like my skin is sensitive. I treat my skin like it's sensitive. Like I'm one of those people. I'm like, I don't know what this is. Like I'm really like scared to try new things on my face. The fact that I really even changed my skincare routine is kind of bonkers. I didn't wear a lot of makeup today, so there shouldn't really be a lot on here. But if I wear makeup, definitely take your makeup off first. You cannot go right into just washing your face. If you have a face full of makeup on, you've got to do some kind of makeup remover, whether you use a makeup wipe or, I don't know, some kind of something. This is what my makeup wipe looks like. It's, now that all my makeup's off, right? So I'm gonna go wash my face right now. What I use to wash my face, I get so like, about telling people, really hesitant. I use Dove soap to clean my face. I know, it's nothing fancy, it's very affordable. It's just a mild soap. I don't really have problematic skin. I don't have anything really specific. Like I just need a mild cleanser. And I've been using it ever since I started my cycle. It's just been working for me for a long time, so why change it? I've looked at other cleansers and I've just been too scared. If y'all have your favorite cleanser, put it down in the comments. I would love to see what you use and kind of check that out. Okay, let me go wash my face. Let's go wash my face now. I just went and washed my face. It's time to tone. So you cleanse, then you tone. Why do you need to tone? You need a toner because a toner is going to get rid of any last minute sweat, dirt, grime, makeup, anything that your cleanser left behind. And it's also going to lift away any dead skin cells. Okay, y'all, listen carefully. I'm trying to like break this down in a way that everyone will understand, but stay with me, okay? So think of your skin, right? The back of my skin has like all these dead skin cells on it, whatever, and it's really dry. And then I put my lotion on, but the lotion is not being able to absorb into my skin in the way that it needs to because there's so much dead skin there. So when you lift away, when you tone twice a day, or at least once, when you tone, it's not only going to brighten your skin and make it look more radiant, give it more of a glow, it's going to lift away those dead skin cells and allow your moisturizer to absorb into the skin in the way that it needs to. I hope that was good for everyone. It's time to tone. I think toning is one of my favorites. I love to tone. You want to get some cotton rounds, cotton pads, whatever. You could get these pretty much anywhere. Walgreens, Walmart, Target. Any beauty aisle is going to have these. Sometimes I even use these when I'm taking off my makeup. I'll take the day off, put it on here, and it will wipe off any makeup I have on. So anyways, I get one of these. And these are always relatively cheap, like $2 or something, $3. What toner am I using? So this toner is by Mario or Mario. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna say, yeah, by Mario Badescu. This is the Seaweed Cleansing Lotion. It's their toner. Botanicals. It also has witch hazel in it too, which is a really good astringent. Take a little bit here and just apply some of it to the pad. Like, I don't need to really like drench it. Good amount. And I start to sweep, you know, sweep away from the face, you know, go to the outer edges and whatnot. I love this part of the day. Like, the toning is like, what's what life's about. It's the toning process. I love it. I love Mario Badescu. I really think it's Mario. I don't think it's Mario. But I mean, I don't know. Either way, Mario Badescu. They're like about being simple, gentle, yet effective. If you are on the sensitive side, I would definitely recommend trying them. And everything is on the natural side too. So although I went to go wash my face, I want you all to see right now what my pad looks like. So that's all like the leftover dirt and whatever else my cleanser didn't pick up, and I can dispose of it at this time. Yes. Now we have cleansed, we have toned, and we're not going to moisturize yet. It is not time. I am going to use a serum. Serums I'm so passionate about. Like, y'all, a serum is going to do so much for your skin, especially if you are on the more mature side, like you're 30 years old plus. If you're going to spend your money anywhere on skincare, you need to spend it in a serum, honey. A serum is going to be way more potent than any moisturizer on the market. It's thinner. Serums get to the skin faster. It's all about layering. You know what I'm saying? Layering in skincare is key. I'm telling you, the first time I used a serum, I couldn't believe it. I used an eye serum for the first time, and I woke up the next day and it was brighter under here. It's really crazy how serums are like the shit, you know? My favorite one that I'm using right now, I'm also running low, it's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I believe this is the #1 selling serum in the US. I really love it. It has a lot of hyaluronic acid in it, which is really great for plumping up the skin. Your skin every single night, fun fact, tries to regenerate itself. Typically between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. is when your skin is trying to regenerate itself. It's really important to do a serum, especially at the nighttime, because your skin's gonna have all night to rejuvenate and take in those products. Stuff is really concentrated. You really don't need a lot. I kind of use more than I normally do. I was using this at one point 2 times a day, and because I am still really young, wrinkles and tight lines and things like that are not really a problem for me at this point. Doing it 2 times a day was too much. So I just do this part only at nighttime. But I love the way it makes my skin feel, and it makes my skin look really bright. And I hope it's protecting me from any kinds of aging. Always, when it comes to serums and fancy creams and things like that, you're always going to want to pat them into your skin. Like, instead of rubbing, pat them into your skin. It's better for overall the blood flow, the circulation, and it's going to absorb the product into your skin that much better. Okay, so I use this at the nighttime, but girl, you know I need a serum in the daytime? Come on now. This is the Shiseido Ultimune. This is the Ultimune. It comes out here. So this is another travel size. I wanted to try this one out. This one's also great for protecting your skin against environmental agents like pollution, smoke, you know, the sun. I mean, it's not an SPF, but it protects yourself from all those radicals that are in the air for your skin. So now that we've used our serum, we're almost finished. Gonna use some more Mario. I need to get the pronunciation on that, but it's weird. I've heard people say Mario, but then I've also heard people say Mario. New York, something like that. So this is their honey moisturizer. I love it. Honey is gonna give your skin a brightness. I really love brightness. I want my skin to be like bright, glowing, radiant, like looks like I've had 12 hours of sleep, like looks like I drink 12 glasses of water a day. So the honey not only hydrates, but it nourishes your skin. There is peanut oil in this though, so if you're allergic to peanuts, stay away. I like to only use like a certain amount. I don't like to be super, oh god. I don't like to be really wasteful, and a lot just came out, but that's okay. I just would, again, absorb it into my skin. Like straight up just pressing it into my skin is much better than, I'm not trying to give myself wrinkles. And for those of you who are watching this and you're in your 20s and you're thinking, I don't even need to be worried about aging and skincare and all that. No matter what you claim, where you from, like, hop on it. Hop on skincare, for real. Do you know how many people who are in their 40s, their 50s, their 60s who are trying to turn back the clock? Who, you know, grew up in the 70s and never wore SPF out in the sun, and now they're trying to, you know, get all those years back by buying fancy creams. Like, if you just took care of your skin the whole time, never would have that problem. Don't forget your neck. I feel like I neglect my neck so much. Always work in upward motions, because you know your neck also will age as well. And I'm also doing the back of my neck. Had a woman tell me, like, when you get older and you know you wear your hair up, like the back of your neck can show signs of your age. Alright y'all, so that really concludes my skincare routine. I also add an SPF in the morning too. Because I live in Colorado, I need something high. Like, I need something like SPF 30, SPF 45, SPF 50. No SPF 15, none of that. Especially, okay, if you live in a place like Colorado or a place that's really sunny, SPF 15 is only going to work for 15 minutes. The SPF time is how much time you plan to be in the sun. Take care of your skin. You only get one face. I really think that here in the US we value makeup so much more than skincare, and I don't understand it. You don't have to buy really expensive products. I would say my skincare routine is kind of a mixture of high-end and lower-end products. But you gotta find things that work for you and work for your budget. I would also say don't try everything at the same time. You know, I incorporated each of these products in very slowly. And I would also say give your skincare routine a time to settle in. If you're trying a new product that is supposed to disappear your dark circles or your fine lines or whatever dark spots that you have, give it time to work. Give it at least 2, 3, maybe even a month to work. Invest in some good products. They don't have to be expensive for them to be great. What is your skincare routine like? Do you even have one? What is the extent of your skincare routine? Leave your routines in the comments below. I hope you all have a great Thursday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!